Get back in there and try again.
He's done, I said.
How are you feeling right now?
Disappointed.
Disappointed?
Depressed.
Depressed?
I got some
She tried though.
It's okay.
You want to spray some ether in there? Right up there.
How about you, Jared?
I'm feeling good.
Feel-
I'm so excited. This is the best purchase he's ever made.
No, truly. I really think we should put this in the books.
Come on, bro. Get back in that cockpit. Give her a whirl. Yeah?
Oh, Dean's stepping up. Dean's stepping up.
Alright, brother, crank that thing.
Oh. Oh. Yo, check out this interior over here.
Okay, wait, come on. Alright, go ahead and give us a run through.
Nice leather swab.
Okay, yep. Oh my, what?
Got some nice cigarette butts right there.
Wow, let's get a zoom in right there, you know?
I just don't think
Cigarette
it's getting,
butts?
I think it's for Gaia. I don't think it's got much of anything.
It's beautiful. Wait, I should do a walk around. This is the back. Very nice. You see very good interior and exterior. Here's this side. Oh. But you're missing the best part. Look at this tire right here. Full of air. As you can see.
Don't you talk back to me.
Oh, she tired. Oh, Mama's tired. Alright.
Mama's tired. Mama is tired. Mama is tired. How are we feeling now? What kind of engine is it? I don't know, I can't see. This is so fun, I feel like I'm in the office. I'm doing zoom-ins and everything. Camera crew. Oh, there's makeup on it. Oh, so sorry, Garrett. We're screwed. We got our foot in the mud. It is really good. I'm recording some great content right now. I hope you know that.
Thank you. Garrett, the horn don't work. How am I supposed to wake up your neighbors?
They don't want to be woke up.
The previous owner.
Pennsylvania?
Yeah, we did the
Yeah, I
spark
drove
plugs.
far for it.
We did the spark plugs.
These are brand new. What? They even put them in.
They said we bought them.
On the listing description, it's got plugs, it's got wires.
Yeah, sitting in the interior. What's this?
It comes with plug wires, but they're not installed.
They ain't installed. Oh, yeah.
But they're there.
Put that on there.
Yeah, it's got crank windows, but the
The
back
power.
is power.
Makes-
Pretty odd.
I mean, but it makes sense. You're not going to go back there when you drive.
Most of them are crank.
I think the best part is this. Whoa! Clean up my brake pads.